What's up, guys? It's me, Umair Geek. So I bought the Audio 2000, Audio 2000 cable. This is a 6 cm. No, it's a 6 inch. 6 inch cable. I bought it for my mixer. I will be giving my opinion on the. Can you see my mixer there? I will be giving you my opinion on this cable. Jump to the
So
unboxing.
here it is. Yes, the Audio 2000. I mean, this one is like 6-inch XLR cable using for your mixer. I mean, or like something in this small. I think I don't need a Swiss knife for this one. Okay, it's come out really very easily. I mean, this is quite small. I think I will. This is it's quite small, to be honest with you. It's just for plugging something like on a mixer. Okay, now for the build quality, which is the main purpose of making this video, will it snap off? Okay, this is good quality. I mean this is not gonna come easy. This is good quality. I can easily recommend. This is good quality. So it was me, Jimmy Epic. Make sure to check out the links if you want to buy this one. The link is in the description box. No, this is not like Rock Valley. I mean, super bad quality. They have XLR cable, easily breakable. This is good quality. I mean, really good quality. Subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي